Italy is a boot-shaped peninsula jutting out from southern Europe into the Adriatic Sea, Tyrrhenian Sea, Mediterranean Sea, and other waters. Its location has played an important role in its history. The sea surrounds Italy and the mountains run through it, dividing it into regions. The Alps run through the upper part of the country and are streaked with long and thin glacial lakes. From the western end of the Alps, the Apennine Mountains stretch south along the entire peninsula. West of the Apennines lie wooded hills that are home to many of Italy's historic towns, including Rome. To the south, there are hot and dry coasts and fertile plains, where olive trees, almond trees and figs grow. People and culture. Since the advent of the Roman Empire, Italian architecture, culture, and art have had an influence around the world. Famous Italian painters include Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. Italy is also at the heart of the Catholic Church, which is ruled by Vatican City, a city-state surrounded by Rome. The family is at the heart of Italian society. Young people often live at home until their 30s, even if they have a job. When parents retire, they often move in with their children to live with. Italian cuisine and wine. Italian cuisine is a sort of Mediterranean delicacies, composed of fresh ingredients, recipes and cooking strategies advanced with inside the Italian peninsula since ancient period, after which became famous around globe with the wave of Italian diaspora. The Italian chef's delicacies are typically simple, and lots of dishes encompass to 3 or 4 primary ingredients. Italians depend in particular at the best of the ingredients, instead of elaborated and complicated preparation. Ingredients and dishes range from location to location. Many dishes that were local have proliferated with versions over the country. The world-famous common Italian dishes are pizza, pasta, ragu, ossobuco, gelato, panzanella salad, focaccia bread and many more. Italian wine is produced in all regions of Italy, which has some of the oldest wine producers in the world. Italy has 702,000 hectares of vineyards and is one of the world's largest wine producer. The largest variety of cheese in the world are produced here, with more than 2,500 traditional cheeses, including about 500 commercially approved and more than 300 cheeses protected designations of origin, PDO, PGI, and PAT. In terms of production volume, Italy is Europe's third largest cheese producer after France and Germany. Nature and resources. For 22 centuries, the ancestors of Italians have cleared fields, grazed livestock, and hunted wild animals. Forests which once covered large areas are gone now. But the country's remote places and many national parks still have wilderness largely safe from human harm. The lower slopes of Italy's Alps are still filled with forests. Above these woodlands are meadows that explode with specially adapted wildflowers in the spring. All over the Italy, millions of birds stop to rest during their annual migration to Africa. Government and economy. In this country, politics can often be exciting and noisy. Crowds gather in the streets to protest against government policies or to support their party. Italy has undergone economic change since World War II and became one of the most important economies in the world by the mid-1960s. This nation is mainly exporting clothing, shoes, food, wine, and vehicles. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe our channel World Facts for supporting us, and like this video as well. See you in another video. Ciao.